Challenges of AI for good. In this section, we will explore the various hurdles and obstacles that must be overcome to harness the full potential of artificial intelligence for the greater good. However, the path towards an AI-powered sustainable future is not without its challenges. These challenges can range from technical limitations to ethical dilemmas that need careful consideration.
We must address concerns related to data bias and ensure that AI solutions are developed and deployed responsibly. This involves scrutinizing the datasets used to train AI models and making sure they are free from biases that could lead to unfair outcomes.
We need to ensure that AI benefits everyone, not just a select few. This means creating inclusive technologies that serve diverse communities and addressing the needs of underrepresented groups.
The responsible development of AI requires careful consideration of its ethical implications. Scholars and experts must collaborate to establish guidelines that govern the ethical use of AI technologies.
We must ensure that AI systems are transparent, fair, and accountable. This involves not only technical transparency, but also clear communication with the public about how AI decisions are made.
We must work to bridge the digital divide and ensure that everyone has access to the benefits of AI technology. This includes providing resources and education to underserved communities to help them leverage AI for their own development.
Section 5. Our collective responsibility, our shared future. The future of our planet depends on our collective action. Every small step we take, from recycling at home to participating in community cleanup events, contributes to a larger impact.
AI is a powerful tool, but it is not a magic solution. It can help us optimize resources and reduce waste, but it requires our guidance and ethical use to truly benefit the environment.
We need to change our behaviors, adopt sustainable practices, and demand action from our leaders. Simple actions like using reusable bags, driving electric cars, and advocating for climate policies can make a significant difference. The time for complacency is over. The signs of climate change are all around us, from melting ice caps to devastating forest fires. We must act now.
Let us embrace the power of AI and work together to create a future where technology and nature coexist in harmony. By integrating smart farming techniques and sustainable practices, we can ensure a healthier planet.
Let us be the generation that turned the tide against climate change and built a sustainable future for all. Planting trees, conserving water, and reducing our carbon footprint are steps we can all take. The future of our planet is in our hands. Let's act now, together. By uniting our efforts, we can create a world where future generations can thrive. Every action counts, and together we can make a difference.